Yang namanya kehidupan bukan membahas keresahan, namun membahas kehidupan atas berkah karena engkau ditakdirkan untuk hidup, bukan untuk menderita.
Come away to where life is simple, where time seems to stand still. A village in Bali where your visit is an honor and your presence a blessing. Welcome to the home of a Balinese priest. Watch and be introduced to the gamelan. Walk about the vicinity. Discover a revered temple, cozily shaded right next to a colorful traditional market. Then walk back to learn more about flower offerings.
Can I ask why you put the orange flower here, the red flowers there? Is there a reason you do that? Or?
Oh, like it's according to the wind direction, like east, west. You have to put this one to the west.
Awaken your senses. Touch, feel, explore an eco-structure. Then tour a lush garden of healing herbs before sitting down with the priest himself to discuss definitions of life.
Sujud kembali pada berkah hidupmu dan mohon restu atas kehidupanmu di dunia nyata ini, sehingga apa kodratmu di dunia ini bisa engkau lakukan atas berkah dan kemurniannya.